Hey, how are you? So today I am going to be showing you how to organize your laundry room, especially if it's a small space. I am going to be showing you what I use to transfer all of my products to, and I'm going to show you this amazing little cabinet that I found on Amazon that is just incredible and just tidies up the entire place. So the first thing that you want to do is that you want to remove everything and then give your washer and dryer a little TLC and then start putting everything together where it goes. The products that I purchased, I got them at Amazon and I also got them at HomeGoods. I got these huge canisters at HomeGoods and I believe they were at under $15 each, but I really like them because I can see how much product I have left. And I also really like the fact that it's very easy to scoop the product in and out of the actual container, and then the lids are very easy to remove. But I also really like how I can just close them shut and they're just airtight in a way. Not perfectly, but in a way. At HomeGoods, I also purchased this container, which is so pretty and it just allows for easy access, and I really like the fact that it's clear and that goes perfectly with the theme. If you're working with a small space, I would recommend that you stay away from containers that are dark because that is just going to make the place look a little bit more crowded than it should. So for my fabric softener and for my Clorox too, I got these bottles that are clear. I got them on Amazon. They come with a little funnel, which is perfect like that. It's easy for you to pour everything into them. And they also come with these stickers where you can type, not type, but you can write by hand what the product that you're putting in there is. If you guys have never given Clorox to a try because you think that it's going to bleach your clothes, nothing like that. It's the best thing I have used for stains. It's out of this world. So as you guys can see in the top section, everything is pretty tidy, but I need something that allows for easy access because this is the only place in the house where I have enough room to store my sheets, to store my towels, and these baskets are just incredible and they allow for me to, if I need something, I can just pull the basket down and I know that it's going to be there, and like that everything has a home and everything looks very nice. If you see, I kept the color theme all together. So I want to tell you about this organizer that I found at Amazon. It's very sturdy and I really like the fact that it has little drawers where you can store things. The drawers are very convenient, and then they also come with this little wooden bottom, but I wouldn't put a lot of weight on it even though I think I could. I'm just going to store my Febreze bottles in there. I'm also going to store Cheyenne's pads, and then I might put some towels or just something that I think would look nice at the top. I'm also going to store one of the Swiffers in here so that I know that it's here because I do clean the floors daily. I am also going to store some Clorox wipes that I have. I'm going to put them here, but I don't really want to put a lot of weight on the actual baskets. The extras that I have, I am going to be placing everything inside one of the baskets like that. I'm always gonna know that they are there. Lastly, I am going to clean the floor. And now I am going to be putting this gorgeous candle that I also got at HomeGoods, and I love it because it just creates a little bit of aromatherapy, and I love scents. They make me feel so good. And how gorgeous is it, don't you think? The pink, the white, everything just goes together. I hope that you love this video. I'm going to be linking everything down for you guys in the info box. If you want to check out the video about my Amazon favorites, it will also be listed down below. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I upload 2 videos every single week. I do everything from reviews to help you on an upcoming purchase. I also upload easy and very delicious recipes and travel vlogs from destinations all around the world where you will see firstsight everything that you need to see and know before going on the trip. I also upload celebrity makeup tutorials. I'll see you soon. Thank you so much for your time, and give this video a thumbs up and share it if you think it will provide value to someone you love. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.